restaurant?
Yes.
Hello there, wonder if you can help me. I'm looking to come in next week and I wondered what you actually have. Do you have a menu online?
No. You want to... I can send it to you if you want.
Can you tell me over the phone what you have?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you have?
Well, we have a set meal.
Right.
Or the individual starter.
Hang on.
Or, starter, seafood, chicken, stock, beef, pork, everything. Chow mein, or rice, or set meal. A for 2, B for 2, C for 3, or etc. Yeah.
And how many people can I have, say, about 10 people coming in or something like that?
Oh yeah, you can. Yeah, we have a set meal. For many people. Yeah, you can pick up the set meal.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
What time do you open?
We open 6:00. Yeah. And we close on every Sunday.
I can't hear you. Can you just wait? It's a bit noisy. Hang on a second.
Yeah.
Say that again.
We close on Sundays.
Sundays.
Yeah, we don't open on Sunday. And the other day we open from 6.
Okay.
Not my blood!
Would you like to book the table?
Pardon?
Or would you like to book the table or you phone me back later?
Sorry about that. Do you sell seaweed?
Seaweed?
Yeah.
We have seaweed.
Pass out all of the goddamn red wheat!
Do you sell redweed?
Sorry?
No? Okay, sorry about that. So, basically, do you have vegetarian options?
Vegetarian. We have seaweed. We have seaweed in the menu.
Hey, sorry about that. Say that again, please.
We have seaweed in the menu. Yeah, we have some vegetarian meal in the
What
menu.
vegetarian options do you have?
We have like bean we have bean curd.
Here, I'm stuck down here with this bag. Right, sorry, say it again.
We have bean curd, or we have
Sorry, say it again. Sorry, say it again. Pardon?
Yeah.
Which one?
Yeah, like mushroom fried rice, mushroom noodles, or vegetable noodles, or bean curd, or
Right.
like this, yeah.
And do you change your menu very often? I mean, has your menu been the same for a long time? Because I like to say.
Yeah.
Do you regularly change your menu?
No.
So when did you last change your menu?
Well, many years ago.
How long?
Okay.
7 years ago.
I
I can't hear you.
Yeah, many years ago. Yeah, I don't know.
11 years ago.
Yeah, So would you like? Yeah, you call. Yeah. You think about it, and then you can call back later if you make a decision. Okay.
Sorry, I can't hear you. What other vegetarian options do you have?
Not much.
Right.
Not much. Yeah.
Okay. Do you have children's options?
No. There's all the one price. Yeah.
And you definitely don't have red weed?
Red weed.
Red weed.
No, not in the menu.
Okay, is that something you can get next year or something, 2016?
Sorry, can't hear.
Pardon? Say that again, I can't hear you.
I can't hear. Okay.
I'll tell you what I'll do.
Okay.
I will speak to my colleagues and I'll get back in touch with you the next few days.
Okay.
Thank you very much for your time.
Bye.
Bye-bye.